How shall we start this video? First off, I don't actually wear glasses because wow, this ring light is a thing. Second of all, I got these glasses. They are blue light blocking glasses off Amazon. I'm just telling you guys about this because they're not sponsored, but these things, I will link them in the description below. They've been such a lifesaver for the fact that I've been staring at my computer screen editing videos for 8 hours a day. So if you guys need some blue light glasses that are super cheap and actually work and have definitely decreased the amount of headaches I've been getting, check the link in the bio. You can thank me later. But the real purpose of this video is that my sister discovered my video where I tried on all of her things, and while she thought this was absolutely hilarious, she decided that she would make me a box full of goodies to unbox and left it on my front step like So for today's video, we are going to unbox this box of goodies that my sister has sent me and see what is inside. Okay, so my sister has sent me a couple of items in this box. Oh my gosh, and they're so cute. I love her, she is the freaking best. So first up in this box, she has sent me the cutest little containers. Oh my gosh, I'm dying of how cute these guys are. I'm a huge Tupperware person, and I'm also a huge proponent of reduce, reuse, recycling, if you guys didn't know that already. So this one comes with a little knife and fork set. Oh my gosh, I'm dying from how cute this is. If I find this product on Amazon, I'll link it down below for you guys. I am dying. This is so cute. Thank you so much, sister. I will be putting my lunch in this tomorrow. Yes! Oh my gosh, this girl, I would encourage you guys to make a box for someone you love because she just hit the nail on the head, and I am just loving it. And this is probably stuff she had at her house and just didn't want, but I'm dying. The second thing she sent me was this packet of Basil Seeds. I am a huge gardener. You guys can follow my gardening adventures on my TikTok, which I'll put somewhere in the thing. I've been growing a ton of stuff, so that's really exciting. And then she gave me these super cute scrunchies. I kind of expected her to wrap a box full of junk, not gonna lie. And the fact that she sent me like actual super cute stuff. Oh, I love these. I love scrunchies because they don't break your hair and they don't give you that weird crease. So, love that. Okay, so next up, she also gave me white OPI nail polish. I love nail polish. I love doing my nails. Love OPI, always a good choice. And then next up, she gave me the Stojo collapsible water bottle. I've never actually heard of this one. So we will open it and see. Okay, so it looks like this, and then, not super successful. I think she gave this to me because I like to go camping with my friends. Oh, that's cool. That's a cool product. I like this idea. I like it. That's pretty cute. That's super cute. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. She also included this pair of leggings. Oh my gosh, I love these. These are by the brand UU. I don't know. Never heard of that brand, but these look so adorable. I love this blush color millennial pink because, you know, we're millennials out here. It has the pockets. These are so cute. I'm so excited about these. Ah, these leggings are fabulous. Oh my goodness, they're so good. I gotta back up more. I'm still wearing this dress. Don't hate on me. Here are the leggings. Oh, they fit so well. And they're such a good color. They have pockets. Anyone else just dying of excitement right now? And I guess I could also wear them like this, just, you know, it's still cold here in Virginia, but it's getting warmer every day. Anyone else just ridiculously excited? So again, here are the pants, looking great. I love everything in this box. I don't even know, like, this is so exciting. And then next she sent me some plant-based protein with super foods. That's pretty cool. I am allergic to milk, so a lot of times I have a really hard time with protein powders and all those kind of things because milk just hates me, so it's not really ideal. But here is what it looks like. And then next up, she sent this super cute ring. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so fun. So this is what it looks like on, and this is my ring, so you can see the vibe is very similar. So I love that. That's super cool. And then the next item she sent, which is so freaking funny, she sent me a pair of bar socks things. Bar, like B-A-R-R-E. We have recently been doing an app, which I will put here because I don't remember the name of it, doing the extended bar with Andrea. Amazing class. If you guys are looking for something where you don't actually realize you're exercising, because she like starts slow and then after a minute, boom, 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 and you're like, okay, and a 30-minute workout flies with her. So freaking amazing. So I will also link that down below. Not sponsored, just absolutely love the product. So that's exciting. I got some bar socks. And then last up, I know she got this from FABFITFUN because she sent me a picture and she said, hey, yo, I know you love plants. Do you want a LED planter? And I'm just like, yes, girl, I do want an LED planter because now my plants will be happy. If you guys like this video, could you please give it a big thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm and also a big thumbs up to my sister. This is freaking awesome. I am so excited. Thank you so much, girl. I love this. Again, if you just want to make somebody's day, 1, thumbs up the video, and 2, send somebody a box full of goodies. Even if they're goodies you have laying around your house, you will make someone's day with all of the excitement and just, ooh, so excited. I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!